Unveiling the Magic. Once upon a time. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that opens the door to countless stories and adventures. Once upon a time. This phrase is a key to unlocking the imagination, leading us into the world of fairy tales, legends, and folklore. So, let's dive in and discover the magic behind these words. Once upon a time is a traditional phrase used to begin storytelling. It signals to the listener that the story is set in a distant past, often in a world where magic and mythical creatures are possible. This phrase has been used for centuries across different cultures and languages, acting as a universal introduction to stories meant to entertain, educate, or impart moral lessons. The importance of Once Upon a Time lies in its ability to transport listeners or readers from their everyday reality into the realm of imagination. It sets the stage for a story that is not bound by the rules of the real world, allowing for the exploration of universal themes such as good versus evil, love, bravery, and adventure through a more fantastical lens. While Once Upon a Time is deeply rooted in traditional fairy tales, its influence extends into modern storytelling, including novels, movies, and even video games. It reminds us of the enduring power of stories to connect us across time and space, offering new perspectives and insights into our lives and the world around us. To use Once Upon a Time in your own stories, think of it as an invitation to your audience to suspend disbelief and join you on a journey. It's your opening move in setting the tone for a narrative that promises wonder, challenges, and the triumph of the human spirit, or the triumph of characters in a magical world. Remember, what follows this phrase should live up to the expectations it sets. A tale worth telling. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the phrase, Once Upon a Time. It's more than just a collection of words. It's a bridge to the extraordinary, a signal that the story to come is not just any story, but one that will transport us to worlds of wonder and imagination. I hope you feel inspired to either dive into reading stories that begin with these magical words or to craft your own tales, continuing the timeless tradition of storytelling. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of language and stories.